Hey, I'm the Dirty Midge and I'm going to show you my fucking kitchen. As you can see, it's all pretty good, made here in Australia, fucking out of glass, it's pretty fucking good. As you can see, my fucking sex machine broke. Fucking doesn't do shit all anymore. Piece of crap, bought it in China. Got a cupboard, I think it's broken, this fucking light always comes on. Got some fucking groggy.
Fuck off, I'm fucking filming you again, I'm getting up, you dumbass. I'm gonna do it all again.
Sit the fuck down!
Actually.
As you can see, my kettle doesn't work because I bought it in fucking China. Piece of shit. Pretty sure it should be working right now, but nah. As well, Chinese fucking made, never worked. Bullshit. What do we got in here? My sex beater. Got some different shit scoopers. You know, guy shit, girl shit. Got a shanking tool. I like to keep a shanking tool around. Got some fucking knives. This works better. And for my grand collection of fucking potato peelers. Yep. This one's for sweet potato, small potato, big potato, medium large, medium small potato. As you can see, all different colours. Not one the fucking same. What else we got in here? I got my brush for painting various things in the kitchen. Like beef. I got my ball cutter. Flop one of them in there. Go to town. I like to call this the penetrator. And then I got the fire machine, as you can tell, works fucking good. Chinese again. I don't know what the fuck this thing is. I got it from fucking Japanese land or some shit.
It's called Japan.
Then I got these fucking nasty burrinators for getting rid of the fucking burrs. Mr. Burrows got me these for my fucking birthday. I got my midget forks here. As you can see, you can eat all your midget meals with. Some nice collection of fucking jewellery for putting on when you cook. Got like 50 knives. 50 knives and 10 forks and spoons. Got some tissues that don't work because they're Chinese as well. I got this fucking Casio ear. Just doesn't do shit all. I got this water maker. Straight from China. This water's some clean shit right here. Got this, I don't know what this does. Maybe clean some circular areas for penetrating in and cleaning stuff. A smaller one for you know, rabbits. Got some good quality fucking lime here, nice and ripe. Got them from Bulgaria. Nice and ripe.
I just pissed my back. I'm so glad.
As you can see, my sex machine's up and running.
Oh my god.